I'm gonna drink this whole thing without burping. Let's go! Okay, anyways, I'm gonna be yeah. Okay, let me get my fingers unlashed. Okay, yeah. I can do it. I can do it. Okay, 3, 2, 1. It's actually Sprite mixed with Dr. Pepper. Oh my god. My stomach is bubbling up. My stomach is bubbling up. Okay, we're gonna see. I'm just gonna drink it. Okay, let me put my phone over here. Okay, yeah. I can do it. I can do it. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Whoa. My stomach doesn't feel good. But I'm still gonna do it. Am I the only one who thinks soda mixed together is good? I think I'm the only one who likes it. I'm sorry guys, but I think I'm the only one who loves soda mixed together. Everyone else thinks it's disgusting, but I'm the only one who likes it. So this probably proves I'm possibly autistic. Okay, let's continue drinking it. God, stomach is possessed. My stomach is possessed. One time when I was in civics class, here's the story. So this was my Saturday school thing, and like I had this it's called a boot camp, where it's like basically a test prep. And my civics teacher was like, okay, we're gonna get into groups of 2 we're getting into groups of 2, and I was like saying to my best friend, oh, sorry, I couldn't help it. I was busy talking. Anyways, so here's the story. So yeah, my civics teacher was like, okay, we're getting into groups of 2 and 3, and I was like, no. And then she said, okay, we don't need any comments. And then everyone was looking at me like this. Oh my god. It low-key tastes good. I'm actually gonna try. Let me do a second round, because I really want to have a big burp at the end. God, my stomach is on fire now. Okay. That is not gonna work as planned. Yeah, these two of these bracelets are new. Like I got it yesterday at my cousin's house. I didn't steal it. It was actually at my cousin's house the whole time. It was someone's, I was like, some kid must have lived here. I know, it's like I'm lazy with a big fat stomach. Nah, I take that back. I'm so sorry. Give me another chance. Please. I'm so sorry. when you play sibling with your soccer, the end. Oh, that was an accidental. Oopsie daisy. Okay, that was cringe. That was so cringe. Okay, I think I lost. Oh my god. I lost. No! No!